The chapter Didhi narrates the inspiring life journey of Shaheen Mistry, an educationist, social entrepreneur, and the visionary founder of the Akanksha Foundation and Teach for India. It shows how she transformed from a privileged girl with a comfortable life abroad into a change maker who dedicated her life to uplifting underprivileged children in India. Shaheen was born in Mumbai in 1971 but spent much of her childhood in Jakarta, Indonesia, where her father worked as a senior executive with Citibank. Her upbringing was comfortable and secure, surrounded by material luxuries and a protected environment. However, even as a young girl, she often felt a void in her privileged life, sensing that her true purpose lay elsewhere. At the age of 18, during a vacation to Mumbai, Shaheen witnessed the harsh realities of life for slum children, their poverty, lack of education, and daily struggles for survival. This deeply unsettled her. She realized that while she had every opportunity, millions of children in her own country were deprived of even the basics of dignity and education. This moment became the turning point of her life. She decided to stay back in Mumbai, even against the expectations of her well-settled family. Her vision was clear. She wanted to bridge the gap between privileged and underprivileged children through education. In 1989, while still a college student at St. Xavier's, Mumbai, Shaheen started the Akanksha Foundation. She began humbly, teaching a small group of slum children on the terrace of her college using volunteers. Her innovative idea was to involve college students as teachers and create after-school learning centers for children from slums. Slowly, the initiative grew into a powerful movement, giving hundreds of children access to English, confidence, and opportunities. The name Akanksha, meaning aspiration in Hindi, reflected her belief that every child has dreams, and education can help fulfill them. The children she taught lovingly called her Didhi, elder sister in Hindi, a name that symbolized her bond of warmth and trust with them. She was not just a teacher but also a mentor, friend, and guide who understood their struggles and gave them hope. Starting an NGO was not easy. Shaheen faced resistance from society, financial struggles, and skepticism about her vision. But she remained determined, believing that real change begins with one person's commitment. With persistence, Akanksha spread across Mumbai and Pune, eventually evolving into full-fledged schools for the underprivileged. In 2008, Shaheen launched Teach for India, TFI, inspired by the global Teach for All network. The idea was to recruit India's most talented young graduates and professionals and place them as full-time teachers in low-income schools for 2 years. This fellowship program created a ripple effect, nurturing leaders committed to fighting educational inequity. Today, Teach for India has become a movement, touching thousands of classrooms and impacting millions of children. Shaheen Mistry believes that education is the most powerful tool to transform society. She emphasizes that India's future depends on its children, and providing them with equal opportunities is the only way to achieve social justice. Her journey from the comfort of Jakarta to the slums of Mumbai demonstrates that true fulfillment comes not from wealth or privilege, but from service and purpose. The chapter Didi is an inspirational account of how one woman's courage, vision, and compassion have brought hope to generations of children. Didi portrays Shaheen Mistry's transformation from a privileged young girl to a social reformer and educational leader, showing how empathy and determination can build a movement that changes lives. For the full detailed notes of this chapter, I've shared a free PDF link in the comments. Go check it out. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss more free notes and study help.